Welcome to the Beauty Shaman, lovely ladies, and in today's makeup tutorial, we are about to unlock 10 secrets to achieving eyes so big they could practically have their own area codes. If you've ever dreamt of capturing that doe-eyed charm of Disney princesses or are wondering how to make your eyes pop like never before, then stick around because we've got some pro-aging tricks right up our sleeves. Let's get going. The first method is hydration. You need hydration for crepey, dry, and puffy eyes because they can be a real challenge when it comes to makeup application. But fear not. By nourishing your delicate under eye area with a hydrating cream like Prime Prometics Prime Eyes Hydrate that is infused with 5 peptides, you can say goodbye to under eye dryness, bags, puffiness, and stubborn dark circles. Trust me, your makeup will glide on effortlessly and your eyes will look brighter and happier. Method number 2 is to smooth and prime your lids to minimize crepey, oily, or discolored skin. Using an eyelid primer can work wonders, and my personal favorite is MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot. It not only evens out your skin tone, but it also covers over any discoloration, leaving your lids smooth and ready for eyeshadow. Let's see it in action. Method number 3 is to say goodbye to dark circles and hello to bright, vibrant eyes. Dark under eye circles can really take away from your eyes, but with the right concealer, like Amazing Concealer, you can easily cover up those pesky dark circles without setting in fine lines. Let's banish those dark circles. Method number 4 is all about Twiggy. You remember Twiggy? She was that iconic model with the doll eyes from the 1970s. Well, you can achieve a similar effect that she did by using a white or cream liner in your waterline. But for a more subtle look, especially for mature eyes, I recommend a cream-colored waterproof eye pencil like NYX. It still gives that white, wide-eyed effect without looking overdone. Apply it to your lower waterline about halfway for best results. Method number 5 is a real game changer. It's filling in your eyebrows. Trust me, it is the biggest change you can make to bring attention to your eyes. By shaping and filling in your brows, you can really enhance your eye area. Watch closely as we transform Janice's eyebrows. Method 6 is about applying eyeliner, and this is the #1 question I receive about makeup. But applying it to mature eyes can be tricky with the added challenges of dry skin, uneven skin tone, hooded lids, and lines and wrinkles. With the right techniques and a soft eyeliner pencil like Prime Prometics Prime Eyes Glide Eyeliner, you can achieve the perfect blended look. On Janice, we are using Sapphire. Method 7 is about choosing the right eyeliner color to really make your eyes pop. It's all about using the best color as close to your eye as possible. For example, if you have blue eyes, try a coal, sapphire, or wood brown shade to see your blue eyes pop. If you have green eyes like me, try wood, coal, and even purple to bring out the green. Lastly, if you have brown eyes, try emerald, coal, or sapphire for making your eyes really stand out. Method 8 is about sparkle and shimmer, and who says you can't use that on mature eyes? Adding a touch of shimmery eyeshadow can really elevate your look. Just remember, it's all about moderation. You can put a little glimmer here, you can put it right in the corner, and you can put it on your brow, just not all at the same time. Method 9 is about lashes. We all want those long, luscious lashes, right? Well, here's how you can achieve them without the need for extensions or false eyelashes. Get ready for some lash curling magic. Here are some steps to using an eyelash curler to have amazing long lashes. I love this strategy. Take a little Vaseline, add it to the lash curler. Heat the curler briefly with a hairdryer and then curl your lashes. If you have sensitive lashes or are sensitive to heat, please let it cool down a bit before using it. And you can see the difference. Method 10 is last but definitely not least. Let's talk about lash volumizers and mascaras. If you have thin or sparse lashes or sensitive eyes, it shouldn't be a problem. With a lash volumizer like Prime Prometics Prime Lash Volumizer and a thickening mascara like Prime Lash Mascara, you can instantly amp up the volume of your lashes. Along with lash thickening ingredients, this mascara is uniquely formulated for sensitive eyes and to heal damaged lashes. Let's give those lashes some love. And there you have it, ladies, 10 easy ways to make your eyes look bigger with makeup no matter your age. Remember, it's all about embracing your beauty and having fun with makeup. Until the next time, stay fabulous.